Before we move along in this vlog, I just want to thank Vitauthority for sponsoring this portion of the video. I have the multi-collagen burn, you guys, and it supports the reduction of visible cellulite, and it is loaded with some good stuff. Good stuff, you guys. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, ashwagandha, olive leaf extract, and so much more. And yeah, the smell and the taste is amazing, you guys. I really didn't expect it to taste as well as it do, but it tastes so good. So I'm gonna start adding it to my water on a daily basis. It says to get good results, use up to 60 days, but you start seeing results within 2 to 3 weeks. Yes, I would like to thank you, Vitauthority, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Thank you guys, and bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to hop on here and say happy 4th of July. Y'all be safe, enjoy friends and family, good food, music, fireworks, all the good stuff. I'm not doing anything today, y'all. I'm about to actually go to bed. I just finished cleaning up my room, changed my sheets, vacuumed the floor, took a shower, all of that. So yeah, I'm about to go to bed and get me some rest for work tonight. And my sister invited me over, but we stay a little far from each other, so yeah, I couldn't make it. I could, but I'll be pushing it. So yeah, y'all, like I said, just enjoy your day, and I'm looking forward to those videos. For those who are content creators, I'll be looking forward to your vlogs, videos, whatever. But yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I'm just getting in from work. I went to the grocery store and just came in from the grocery store. I went and got me some stuff, y'all. I got me 2 pineapples because I'm about to juice these. I made a strawberry. Well, y'all seen it. Y'all seen it in the beginning of this video. I forgot. I had recorded it the other day. I bought me some mangoes, y'all. It was 3 for $5, so I bought 3 for $4. And I bought me some spinach because I didn't have any. So I got me some spinach. I like to put spinach in my smoothie. Some gum for work tonight. And I bought me a pack of thin chicken breasts. I'm gonna throw these put them on my little grill later on. That's gonna be my dinner. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It depends on what time I get up. I'm gonna cook. I don't know yet. And this is the other pineapple. So I'm about to juice one of them. I'm about to cut up one and juice it. And cut up one mango. I need a new blender, y'all, because that blender I got, it don't, like, I have to stir the stuff up because it don't chop up really good. Like, it don't chop it up good. Like, I have to leave the top off of it and just chop it up like that or blend it up like that. But it's good for right now. I'm not in a rush to get a blender, but I need one. I had a bullet that my brother bought me one year for my birthday, but it just stopped working and he didn't have the warranty on there, so I ended up throwing that away. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm about to make me a juice because I am hungry. And I'm gonna put the spinach in there. But the juice I made in the video prior to this one, without the spinach, it was good, y'all. And I'm gonna put the collagen in it. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed y'all 4th of July. Hope everybody was safe. Y'all ate good. I'm pretty sure y'all did. A lot of people did. My sister cooked so much food. She sent me a plate And my son brought it to my job last night. She sent me hot dog and a hamburger and some baked beans. And I ate that. And I hope I got a Ziploc bag to put this in, because this is not resealable, is it? Oh yeah, it's a reseal lid. Peel and reseal lid. Perfect, because I don't think I have no more Ziploc bags for this. And they are organic. That's why they cost so much. See, I didn't pay attention. These were $6. It's alright. It's okay, y'all. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, good morning. I'm back, y'all. I'm sorry I was MIA for a minute. Yeah, but I'm back, y'all. And I went to Dollar Tree yesterday. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, and I went to Walmart yesterday. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Well, y'all look what Alexa sent me. Some gummies. Y'all know y'all can get on there and tell Alexa to send you a sample. And this was the sample that she sent me. And these are some Black Forest gummy bears. So they sent me this last week. I just had it here. I'm gonna put it in the closet. I don't like gummies like that. I like Gushers, but just not plain gummies. But I'm gonna keep it in there. One of my grandkids come over or something. Okay. I got some E6000 because I'm gonna work on a project today. I'm gonna do that in a few after I finish making me some breakfast. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm making. I got some black spray paints, okay? Which I should have bought another one because I got some mirrors out there in the storage closet that I'm about to revamp, but I didn't want black for the mirrors. I want like a light gold. I don't know what you'll call that. Like maybe a nickel color? No, that's silver, right? Yeah, I just wanted something like the color of my paint, y'all. The paint, not the border, but the paint, like a light off-white type of situation. for my wallet. I got 4 of these. I bought this from Dollar Tree. This is part of my project, y'all. Y'all gonna see. It's cute. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go outside and do it after I cook my breakfast. I got 4 of those. And to go with that, I got some fairy lights to go with the project. All this go together. I'm gonna show you. These, I got 2 of these. These are for the project, okay? That's all of this right here. This for the project. So that's that. Yeah, I want to do that. Okay. I knew better. So all that for the project, y'all. And the fairy lights. This TikTok sent me this to do a promotion on my page. So this is what I gotta do. I'll try to get to this today. It's a face wash, and it's by Aquadot. So I'm gonna do this later. Okay. They have these on clearance for $2. I got these for my mama. When I go to Alabama, I want to take these to her, and my sister also bought her one. They was on clearance for $2. So my sister bought one, I bought one, so she got plenty. She said she was, she always pack people, you know, little to-go things in her boxes, in her little containers. So she's like, I don't have any more. And I bought me some socks. These are so cute, y'all. Some Swedish fish socks. And I also got the Captain Crunch socks. These are at Dollar Tree, y'all. I never seen them there before. That's why I'm excited, because I never seen them there before. So yeah, I got these. I got some nail glue because I got some press-on nails, and the glue that came with it, y'all, I don't think it ain't worth a flip. So I'm gonna try this because Monday, I didn't tell you yet, but I'm going out of town. So I'm gonna put some nails on. And I don't think I'm gonna have time to get my feet done before I leave, so I'm gonna get them done when I get to where I'm going. Okay, I bought me a lighter for my candles and some lip gloss. So that's all I bought from Dollar Tree, between Dollar Tree and Walmart. Wait a minute. Do I got a Walmart bag? What did I get from Walmart? That just came from Walmart. This came from Walmart. The glue came from Walmart. And the fairy lights came from Walmart. Okay, so that's everything. So yeah, y'all, so I'm about to make me some breakfast. And my sister is texting me. And y'all, I went out to my sister's house yesterday, and I meant to record, but when I went out there, it wasn't for a good reason. So, when I went out there, it was like rush, you know what I mean? So I didn't get a chance to record. I did get a little bit of me in Dollar Tree. Not too much. It was like a little clip. But yeah, when I went out there, it wasn't for a good reason. So it was a little unexpected. I wasn't even dressed, y'all. I jumped out the bed, jumped up, and left. Okay. I just had on the dress. I was like, what in the world? But anyway, everything is all good for now. Yeah. If y'all seen my last video from the juicer, they are having a 20% off sale on Amazon Prime Day. So y'all click the link down in the description box below and get you a juicer, y'all. 20% off. I have another collaboration over here, which I call Task Rabbit, y'all. They charge $40 an hour. Are you serious? Not me. I'm gonna see if I get my kid's father to come over here and hang up what I need to be hung up. So, yeah, that's it, y'all. So let me text my sister back. I'm gonna make me some breakfast, and then I'm gonna put this stuff up, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I forgot to show y'all I bought this grabber, but this is for work. It's not for home. I'm not that lazy, but this is for work. I need to find somewhere to put it so nobody don't touch it because it's mine, and I'm gonna put my name on it somewhere. It was just $1.25. I got it at the Dollar Tree, but I be needing this, y'all, because yeah, I asked her to buy one before, but she never did. So this is mine. I gotta find somewhere to hide it in that building, but yeah, this is mine. Okay, y'all, so I'll be back and I'm about to make me some bacon and eggs, y'all. Because I am hungry, okay? I am hungry. Last night when I came in, I told y'all I was at my sister's house and I left in such a rush. I came in, I had some lemon pepper wings that I made in the air fryer the other night. I just warmed up 3 or 4 pieces. I think I had 4. I warmed them up. Y'all, I took me a shower and I went to bed and I woke up at just a little while ago. Well, I woke up at 5:45 and now I go back to work tonight. So, and I'll be on my 4 days and then Monday I'll be leaving to go out of town. I'm going by myself. So yeah, y'all. What is this bag right here? What is this? Y'all, what do we use this? Yeah. It's nothing. So yeah, y'all, I will get back on here in just a minute. Let me make my little breakfast real quick because I am hungry. And I might make me a cup of coffee. I want some, but then again, I don't want none. But yeah, okay, y'all. So I'll just, oh, and I got the matte black. This is ultra matte for my project. This is ultra matte. So yeah, okay, y'all. So I'll be back. Okay, and yeah. So y'all, I don't know if I told y'all or not. I don't think I told y'all, but in this box right here, I have a collaboration with a company. I had downloaded TaskRabbit to get them to come over here and install these for me. But they charge $40 an hour, y'all. And you know how people, I'm not paying that much for them to come out here and do that little simple. It's not simple, but sometimes they drag stuff along so they can stay longer. No, I'm not paying for that. So I want to see if my kid's father will come over here and install them for me, and I pay him, and you know, one flat rate. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all that. So that's what this is, a collaboration, and yeah. So I'll be back. I'm gonna wash these few little dishes, put me some bacon in the oven, and scramble me a couple of eggs, and that will be my breakfast. And I'll be back on here when I start my project so that y'all can see my project, okay? All right, y'all. Bye. Space.